In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update business in Google Maps. Keeping business details accurate helps customers find the right place, show up at the right time, and contact the right people. So let's walk through the process on your phone clearly and confidently. Start by opening the Google Maps app on your mobile device. A reliable internet connection helps everything load quickly. You don't need any special access to suggest corrections. The community can help keep information up to date, and your edit will go through a quick review. Next, go to the business profile you want to update. You can search by typing the business name into the search bar or move around the map and tap the correct location pin. Make sure you're on the specific business page, not just a general map view, so you can see details like address, hours, and reviews. Scroll down the business profile until you find the option labeled Suggest and Edit. On some phones, it may appear under the About section or near the basic info. Tap it to open the editing tools. You'll see two main choices. Select Change Name or other details if the listing is accurate but needs corrections, like fixing the name, updating the category, adjusting the address or pin location, changing hours, or adding a website. Choose Close or Remove only if the place is permanently closed, a duplicate, moved to a new listing, or doesn't exist. Use this option carefully. Marking a place closed when it isn't can confuse customers and hurt the business. When you're ready, enter the correct information. Be specific and consistent with official details. For addresses, include suite numbers if applicable and make sure the map pin drops exactly where the entrance is. For hours, add the full schedule to prevent customers from arriving when the business is closed. If a notes or justification field appears, add a short explanation, such as updated hours posted on the door, to help reviewers verify your change. If prompted, attach a clear photo that supports the edit. After reviewing what you've entered, tap Submit. Your suggestion will be reviewed by Google systems and, in some cases, by human moderators. Many edits go live quickly, but some may take longer if additional verification is needed. You might receive a notification about the status of your edit, and you can check back on the business profile later to confirm the update. That's it. Simple, accurate, and helpful. Thanks for helping improve Google Maps for everyone.